What is this? Video 3 of snow in Raleigh, North Carolina. Yeah, you're right. It is snowing for a third time. We went 1,000 days without snow, and now in the span of 2 months, we have gotten three snowfalls. And this is a legitimate one. This is a good one. I hope the camera can pick it up. I'm standing out on my porch in my sandals. So, your boy ain't built for weather like this. Wearing my Jimmy Buffett t-shirt. But yeah, snow in Raleigh again. And it's starting to come down too. I might come out and get one more little quick short later on. It's really starting to pick up. Be looking for a long form video of birds in the snow pretty soon. Little plug for later on. All right, that's snow in Raleigh. I hope the camera's picking it up good because I'm freezing. Heading back inside. Yeah, it's really coming down now. You can just see it falling. Some of the heaviest and thickest I think I've seen in a while.